We are going down to move a beehive. We'll see how this goes. Right there. Looks like everybody's home.
I've got to close that hole up before we try and move it and tighten the ratchet strap. Not sure
Let's
how to
get
do
closer.
this.
Okay, guys, go in your hole. Oh, they're all coming out now.
Well, they can't get in now. I got the screen there.
Yep. Have you smoked them? All right, guys, let's calm down. We're just gonna take you to your place. Here you go. And where are we moving them?
I've got to tighten this up.
Okay.
So you want a smoke hole in?
Yep. And where are we moving them to?
I guess I probably should have showed you that before we... So we don't want that, because that's what happened. It separated on me when I tried to move it.
Yeah.
We're moving it right around the corner.
Okay.
And
Around this way?
yes. And the entrance needs to be facing the building. That way when you, because you're supposed to harvest from the backside.
Got you.
That way the backside will be facing.
So we're gonna set it on the blocks, entrance facing the building.
Yes.
Okay. You smoke the bees to calm them down. They all look pretty calm right now. All right, bees. Should we just carry it? I think it's probably gonna be more jankety to get it in there. And then I'll get this side and you get that side.
As long as this is tight.
And then I'll go this way. Just slither on down once you get there. You're going to your new home, bees. Did you have this cord this again?
Yes. How much room you got on that side?
A little bit. You want to move it over?
It's good.
You good? Okay.
Now I need to, before I take this off,
Unscrew the hole.
I need to unscrew the hole and get the screen off.
They made it to their new home with no incidences. That's very exciting. I have a little bee right here. He's my friend. He's coming to see you. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.
Smoke while I do this. It is.
That's one way to smoke. now you don't have to close that ever again, right?
I need to take that screen off. Yeah, and now I screw this back down. Oh, I'll just
Keep screw.
They're getting agitated.
Yep, keep pumping it, baby.
And why are you screwing that down?
I'll just have this one screw that I have on this side because that side is right in front of their hole.
Okay, so then you don't have to close them in anymore.
No. They need to be able to go in and out.
Okay.
Take the ratchet strap off. And I don't know. Maybe I should leave it on. It's not hurting anything, is it?
Nope.
We're done.
Everybody got in their home safely.
Thank you.